how to install or how to replace your Linux operating system with another Linux operating system in dual boot. So here's the whole process. Just be with me and see how I do with my own process. So first you have to select first you have to make bootable pen drive. You can see the link below, and next you have to just go to boot menu by pressing F10, or it computer will show you whatever is the key for you. So after pressing that, this is the screen you will get, and select last one, and you can see my computer has multi bootable options, and create and try. Right now I'm installing Parrot OS and replacing it from Kali Linux. So here we are. KD Plasma signings here. So you can see it's 1 a.m. and everything is for my friends who want to do these interesting things. So Parrot OS support. Okay, good. Wait and click on next. Select your zone. Next, with rupees. Okay, here you can do two things. First, it is partition, and second, it is disk, the whole disk, or replace a partition with Parrot OS. These are the thing, or install alongside with the partition. This is for when you have only Windows. This is for when you already have any Linux system. This is for the whole thing, but you want to use just the Linux operating system, and this is manually you do whatever you want. So I will select this. No way. Parrot OS. Okay. Wait, manually have to delete something. Okay, try this. Okay, let me create some path. Okay, done with this thing, and just need to restart. So done. Waiting for. Wow, it is working. Great. So you can see it take by itself, but let me restart it again. Here's the thing. Windows Manager. There are 3 with Linux 5.0 abroad. Okay, wait. And another one is AMD NVIDIA off on API-C, and the first one is normal, and this for advanced setting. Windows Manager is for Windows Manager, my Windows 8, and system settings. So clicking it is a good experience. Oh yeah, working fine. So hope you understand how I did the whole process. But yes, everything in my Linux has been deleted by this operating system. Cool, really cool. Here's the sign of KD plasma. It is taking some time, but at the end of the day, yeah, it is perfectly working with no doubt. But I don't know which is best. I need more experience, and the settings are obviously, yes, the settings are same, but it does a KDE connect, so it is like KDE plasma. I can say Linux or Kali Linux or this one which is perfect, but yes, I will surely update you with all my experience as soon as possible. Thank you.